Dear students, today we are discussing for the important question for the ask for 6 marks question. So they prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, one second you see read the question. So Vinay and Vijay are the partners sharing the profit and loss in the ratio of 6 is to 4. Their capital on 1/4/2012. So rupees 2 lakhs rupees is capital Vinay and Vijay capital is 1 lakh respectively. Next, they made profit rupees 89,400. So 89,400 for the profit. This profit will be transferred to the credit side of our profit and loss appropriation account. So next, following adjustment. So some following adjustment in there. So first adjustment, number 1, interest and capital at 8% per annum. Means they depends the capital on the basis of 8% of the per annum. So first one, Vinay 2 lakhs rupees. So consideration is 2 lakhs into 8 divided by 100. Again Vijay 1 lakh rupees 8 divided by 100 for the year. So second one, allowed salary 1000 per month for each partner. So two partners in our firm. So first one Vinay and Vijay, the two partners. So 1000 into 12 months, because for 1 year will calculations of the salary. So 1000 into 12 months, the total 12,000 for the Vinay, again 12,000 for the Vijay. So next third one, drawings. So drawings of rupees 20,000, again 15,000 respectively. So drawings is cannot be considered for the profit and loss appropriation account, but here consider to only interest on drawings. Okay, next interest on drawings rupees 2,000, again 1,800 will be respectively. So here considerations of interest on drawings for the credit side in profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, right, very simple for the preparations of the problem. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2013. Okay, the solutions for the profit and loss appropriation account. Solution. So profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2013. So open the 4 columns. Open for 4 columns. First one particular column. So again rupees column. Next particular column and rupees column. So first one particular. Next rupees column. Again particular. Next rupees column. Okay. Right, you see for one by one some adjustments. Adjustment number 1. So 2, interest on capital. First one, interest on capital at 8%. So interest on capital depends to be partners capital. So first partner name is Vinay. So amount of rupees 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs 8 divided by 100. 8 divided by 100. So 2 to cancel. 28 ja 16,000. So make it for outer column also. Second one, Vijay is equal to amount of rupees 1 lakh. Amount of rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh 8 divided by 100. So cancel. 10 8 ja 8,000. 8,000. Okay, na? So next, second one. First one in adjustment is over. Second one adjustment. Allowed salary 1,000 per month each partner. So take for 2 partners salary. Partners salary. So name of the partner is first one Vinay. Second partner is Vijay. So the value of amount is 1000. So 1000 per month 12, because in cases of transfer to the 1 year. So 1000 into 12, 12,000. So I can say Vijay also 1000 into 12, so 12,000 amount will be transferred to the outer column. So adjustment number 2 also over. So next coming for third adjustment. So drawings under 20,000 and 15,000 respectively. So drawings is not considerations for the our profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, next consider for interest on drawings. So interest on drawings are rupees 2,000 and 1,800. So before we will consider for here make the profit. Okay, first consider by net profit. By net profit. So net profit, open the bracket, profit. So amount of rupees 89,400. And the next point is interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. So interest on drawings, the name of the partners Vinay and Vijay. Vinay, another one Vijay. So amount of transfer interest on drawings is first one 2,000, second person of Vijay 1,800. Okay na? So total 3,800. 3,800. Okay. Close the balance of both sides. Close the balance of both sides. They consider for the credit side, because more than for credit side 89,400 plus 3,800. So 93,200. 93,200. So again 93,200 minus 16,000 plus 8,000 plus 24,000. So remaining values is considerations for only 45,200. Remaining for 45,200. So that 45,200 will considerations of two partners capital account. Two partners capital account. Partners capital account on the basis of distribution by the our ratio. So Vinay and Vijay. Vinay and Vijay. So 45,000 into the ratio is bifurcations of 6:4. 6:4. 6 by 10, 4 by 10. So again 6 divided by 10 is equal to 45,200. 45,200 into 4 divided by 10. So multiplication, this one and this one cancel, is equal to. So 45,020 into 6, the value of 27,120. Again second one, so cancel, remaining amount 18,080 rupees. 18,080 rupees. The total 27,120 plus 18,080. The total 45,200 will be coming. So this is for very important. They asked for the 6 marks question for the basis of section C. Otherwise, for asking for the practical oriented question, section E. So must and should will be asked on the basis of preparations to be adjustment. What will be the adjustment will be prepared on the basis of the problem prepared by profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending. So first once again repeat the problem and answer. So interest on capital. So take it for first debit side in profit and loss appropriation account to interest on capital 8%. So your partner's name is Vinay. So Vinay name 2,000 into 8 divided by 100 is equal to 16,000. Okay, 16,000 take for the outer column. Again second one, partner name is Vijay. So Vijay also 1,000 amount, 1,000 into 8 divided by 100. So 8,000 will be issued. Again, second adjustment, allowed salary rupees 1000 per month. So partner salary. So partner salary means Vijay and Vinay. So Vinay 1000 into 12. So 12,000. Again Vijay also 1000 into 12. 12,000. So next coming for the interest on drawings, and drawings also issued. But drawings is cannot be considerations of the profit and loss appropriation account. Again next consider interest on drawing. So next one, the profit and loss appropriation account, you see by net profit. So net profit will consider for the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. In case of loss, net loss will be received, take for the debit side of net loss of the total. So here net profit also given by the problem. By net profit, then open the bracket, profit rupees 89,400. So next interest on drawings. So interest on drawings is Vinay and Vijay. Interest on drawings Vinay 2000 and Vijay 1800 respectively. So 2000 plus 1800. So total value is 3800. Okay. Close the balance of both sides. So here almost credit side will increases of the value. So 89,400 plus 3,800. So total 93,200. So both side also close the balance 93,200. So remaining value means 16,000 plus 8,000 plus 12,000, 12,000. So deductions are 93,200. Remaining value is 45,200. So that 45,200 will consider for two partners capital account. To partners capital account net amount transfer. So either ratio is old ratio 6:4. So you see problem 6:4. 6:4 means 6 per 4 10. So here 6 by 10, 4 by 10. So applicable for partners transfer to the balance of profit. So Vijay 45,200 into 6 by 10 is equal to 27,120, and Vijay 45,200 into 4 divided by 10 is equal to 18,080. So total 27,120 plus 18,080. So 45,200 will be distributions of the partner. Okay, na? Just very important for the asked by profit and loss appropriation account for the problem in annual examination for the purpose of the simple asked for the on the basis adjustment will be depends. Okay, na? Right. Thank you and thank you very much. Okay, dear students, so today discussion for the we asked for 6 marks question profit and loss appropriation account. So very important question for and very easy also, just for reading by the problem and make the prepare for solutions of the account. So okay, once again read the question and after the solutions of the profit and loss appropriation account. So right, Pramod and Pawan commenced their business with capital. So Pramod 80,000 and Pawan is 60,000 respectively. Next again they agreed sharing the profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. So 3:2 means 2 means 5. So 3 by 5 again 2 by 5 for the ratio will be distributions of the profit and loss. So continue for their year ending 31st March 2012. So year of ending is 31st March 2012. So next they earned the profit. They earned the profit rupees 24,000. So earned the profit is 24,000 for the considerations of profit and loss appropriation account in the credit side. So net profit. So net profit consideration rupees 24,000. In case of net loss will be given by the problem. So considerations of debit side. So net loss will considerations of debit side. Either net profit will be considerations of credit side in profit and loss appropriation account. So here credit side take for net profit 24,000. So next before allowing. So some before allowing means some adjustment will be considerations to be one by one. So first adjustment is interest on capital. So very important to know the interest and capital at 6% per annum. So actually 6% for 1 year will consider it depends upon by partners capital. So partners name Pramod and Pawan. So Pramod 80,000 rupees, Pawan 60,000 rupees. So 80,000 into 6 divided by 100. Again same 60,000 into 6 divided by 100 will considerations of debit side in profit and loss appropriation account to interest and capital. So second one, so annual salary to Pawan. So two partners but only considered for only one person's Pawan. So Pawan's salary rupees 5,000. So directly received for the Pawan salary rupees 5,000. So consider for profit and loss appropriation account for the debit side. So debit side partners capital account after the name of the partner to Pawan. So Pawan salary directly to take for 5,000 rupees. The next one, third one, interest on drawing Pramod rupees 1,500, Pawan 1,000. So interest on drawings is considered for profit and loss appropriation account for the credit side by interest on drawing. So by interest on drawing, take for inner column Pramod 1,500, Pawan 1,000. So total 2,500 to take for the outer column. Okay na? Next prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the firm. Very important and very easy also. They prepare to the our profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so I prepare for the profit and loss account. Next, first solution. So prepare for profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending. For the year ending. For the year ending. So 31st March 2012. So underline. So open the four columns. First one, particular column. Particulars. Next, rupees column. Again, particular column. Again, rupees column. So here, debit and credit. Debit and credit. So okay, make the one by one. First one, Pramod and Pawan commercial business. Their capital 80,000, 60,000 will be transferred to the our debit side for interest on capital. Agree to sharing the profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2 for their ending 31st March 2012. So again, next to earn the profit will considerations of credit side. First one take for 24,000 is there. So by net profit, open the bracket, profit ಅಂತ consider money. So 24,000. Outer column 24,000. So next coming for before loving means one by one adjust number 1 interest on capital. So take for 2 interest on capital. Interest on capital 6%. Interest on capital 6%. So name of the partner Pramod. So is equal to another Pawan. So Pramod capital is 80,000 into 6 divided by 100. So next Pawan capital is 60,000. 60,000 into 6 divided by 100. So calculation ಮಾಡಿ. So entirely 4,800. And second one 600 into 6. 6 is 36. 3,600. The first point is over. So next one, second point, the annual salary to the Pawan of rupees 5,000. So next debit side will consider for the profit and loss appropriation account to partners salary. To partners salary. So partners salary, first one Mr. Pawan. Mr. Pawan salary directly considered for 5,000 rupees in outer column. Next, third one, interest on drawings of Pramod and Pawan. So interest on drawings is considered for profit and loss appropriation account in credit side. Okay, by interest on drawings, the name of the partner Pramod is equal to, again second person is Pawan. So amount of rupees 1,500, second one 1,000. So total value 1,500 plus 1,000. So the outer column 2,500. 2,500. So our third point also over interest and capital also over. So close the balance of both sides. Both sides will be close the balance. So where they appear to increases of the value means the credit side almost the increases to the value because 24,000 plus 2,500 is there. So total 26,500. Again same 26,500 also debit side. So remaining value is deductions of to net profit transfer अथवा partners capital ratio is 3:2. Name of the partner Pramod, again second one person is Pawan. So total value 26,500. So 26,500 less deductions of 48,000, 4,800. So 4,000 already. 26,500. Total first money 4,800 plus 3,600 plus 5,000. So 13,400. 13,400. So deductions of value 26,500, remaining 13,100. So 13,100 will be considered. So after 13,100, so distributions of 13,100. So 13,100 into ratio 3:2, 3/5 is equal to 13,100 into 2/5 is equal to. So multiplication 13,100 into 3 divided by 5. So first person Pramod 7,860. Again second one 13,100 into 2 divided by 5. So 5,240. 240. So total value is considered for our valuations to partners capital account in transfer to partners. So Pramod 13,100 into 3 divided by 5. So 7,860 take for inner column. Again Pawan 13,100 into 2/5. So it's equal to 5,240 also inner column. So just add for 7,860 plus 5,240 also consider for 13,100. Okay, this is for profit and loss appropriation account. Very simple problem to learning for 6 marks question. Okay, just for debit side we will consider interest and capital, partner's salary. Again in case of given for partner's salary or partner's net profit. So credit side will transfer for net profit and other one interest on drawings. So interest on drawings consider for inner column. So both side inner column for Pramod and Pawan 1,500, 1,000, total 2,500. So close the balance of both side. So credit side So 26,500. Same value will be transferred for the debit side, 26,500. Remaining value 26,500 less 5,000 less 3,600 less 4,800. Remaining value is 13,100. So 13,100. So 13,100 to partner's capital or net profit transfer to the old partner. So promote 13,100 to 3 by 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7,860 ಪವರ್ 13,100 to 2 by 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5,240 is ratio. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 13,100 ಅಥವಾ 13,100 will be net profit ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 6 marks question for very easy the practical oriented question, otherwise for asked for section C also they are meant for 6 marks question. Okay na? Thank you very much.